I'm a bear. I'm a cute little bear. I'm a cute little bear. Guys, I thought that I would break out my very special, cute little animal hoodie vest because this is a very special occasion for a special video. This is a mystery box exchange, and this is with one of my favorite channels. Guys, if you don't know about them, you gotta know about them. I love them, so you should love them. They are called TheSisterhood. Ah, TheSisterhood. Ooh, this is their channel. Go check them out. TheSisterhood. Ooh, 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 yeah. Oh, we're rolling? Oh. Hey guys, this is a mystery box. So here's what's super cool about this video. So me and my besties, the Sisterhood, I actually have a lot of besties on here. So one of my besties, the Sisterhood, they are super fun, super cool, super cute girls, and they're sisters. One is older, one is younger. They love each other. I'm sure they fight off camera like I did with me and my sisters. But we are such cool buds that we decided, hey, I was like, listen guys, I don't have your phone number, so I'm just gonna pretend like I'm talking to him on the phone. I was like, ring, 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 ring. Hello, hello, this is the Sisterhood, this is Angela and Michaela. Hey guys, hey, how are you? Hey, I propose a question. Really, really? Yeah. Hey, do you want to do a mystery box exchange? I would freaking love it. Yeah, me too, girl. Let's do it, it is on. Okay, bye, bye. That's like how it went. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, this is really hot. Oh, I gotta take it off. Oh, oh. Okay guys, whew, that is pretty hot there. So what I love about the sisters is they remind me of me and my sister growing up, and I see myself in both of these girls. It's so uncanny because I seriously feel like I'm watching me and my sister as we were growing up at their ages. So I'm quite older than them. I'm quite older. I'm old. That's why I love all those grandma clothes. I'm old, guys. But I totally dig them. I think they're awesome. So I see myself in them. I can relate to them. They are true. They are genuine. You know what I have to say? Every time I watch their channel, they make me smile. Like, I always smile and I always laugh. They will put you in an upbeat mood. They are just, oh, they're my buds. They're just my buds. So I love you guys. I love you right here. Good, good. Good, 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 good. That's my heartbeat. It's beating for you guys right there, okay? It's for you guys. Mwah. Let's look at our mystery box exchange. If you want to see the mystery box that I sent both of them, they received it, they did a video on it already. If you want to see that video, that will be linked down below. But here is a sneak peek right here. Psst, I'm not going to give it away. It's just a little clip, okay? So it's a sneak peek right here. Let me just back out of the way.
Nikki's fashion diary. We did a trade where we did two mystery boxes, one from us to her and one from her to us, and so we did
picture.
Okay, wait, let's take the whole picture. So here's the package.
It's in. Okay.
Where's the side? Angelina model it. So we're gonna be opening that, and first of all, before we open it, we want to do a huge thank you to Nikki's fashion diary.
Hope you like her stuff.
Yeah, we hope we like. We hope you like what we got you and
Made for you.
Yeah, we made some stuff and we had some stuff that we thought would be cool to send to you. Can't wait to open up the box you sent us.
And we're back.
We are gonna open this bad boy up.
What I do know is in here is some homemade soaps that they made themselves. So I believe it was, I say Angelina, I say Angela, so if I refer to, they're Michaela and Angela, so I might refer to Angela as Angelina and vice versa. It's the same girl, it's the same name, maybe a vowel or two off, but I think she goes by both, right? Angela, Angelina, correct me if I'm wrong. This is what I see, look how beautiful this is. Oh my god, it's so gorgeous already. Guys, I'm loving some glitter. Some glitty, glitty, glitter, glitzity, glitz. Okay, this is just so beautiful. Oh, here's my little cardi card. Okay, here's what it says. Let me put this, oh, I just like nailed myself in the head. Can I give my eyebrow a paper cut? Alright guys, here's what it says. It says, hello Nikki. We'll just read it together. gonna face it this way because I can't read like this. Like my neck is not like a giraffe. I can't go like this. And I still have you guys see because my head will be in the big old way. So I'm gonna read it like this. Hello, Nikki. First of all, we thank you so much for the support and love you give our YouTube channel. You're seriously so kind, and you have a pretty amazing, awesome, or wait, I just threw amazing in. She didn't say amazing. You have a pretty awesome channel. I just threw amazing, awesome in there. You're amazing. Oh, she threw the amazing at the end. And second, thank you for doing this mystery box. See, I'm just like throwing stuff in here that's not in here. Thank you for doing this mystery gift exchange with us. We've been so excited putting this gift together for you and can't wait to receive yours. Thank you again, and we hope you enjoy everything. Love, the sisterhood, Michaela and Angelina. Angelina. It's Angelina, not Angela. Girl, I'm so sorry. You still might be Angela to me, though. Oh, this is exciting. Oh my God. The unveiling. There she goes. Not Miss America, but the unveiling. Oh, how cute. Okay, so here's our super awesome glitter guy. I love you, glitter, but you're gone. All right, so what we have here is this adorable, cute little homemade ornament. Aw, that is so cute. Nikki with glitter. I'm seeing a theme here, guys. Glitter. It says Nikki on the back. It says from the sisterhood. This is adorable. And the little eyes are hearts. That is so freaking cute, guys. So adorable. Super adorable. Oh, maybe I can hang it on my nose ring. Let me see. Maybe. I might be able to. Hang on, hang on. Hang on, guys. I got this. I don't got this. Okay, so this is adorable. It's not going to be hanging on my nose ring. The next item, the next layer that I peel, this is like an onion. The next layer, onion layer that I'm peeling is a little blue guy. Okay, so I love you, blue guy, but you're gone. Ooh, another layer that we're peeling is a very cute sparkly tissue paper. And trust me, I'm going to reuse this tissue paper, okay? Okay, wow, they really layered the heck out of this guy. I love your tissue paper, but you gone. We're unleashing the other layer, and here's where all the goodies lie. Oh, it's all the goodies inside. Look at all the goodies inside. Look at all the goodies inside. The first goodie, it's going to be candy canes. Okay, so we were supposed to do, and they probably gave me some candy canes because I got some stank old breath, right? I got some stanky breath. Or guys, it's a new earring trend, so I might be able to put these on my ear like this. Okay, like some new earrings. But the earrings actually don't go in your ear, they go like over your lobe, your lobal area. Okay? Can't get that on my ear. That one's falling off. Okay? So I got some earrings going on here. Some ear lobe earrings. But they probably gave me candy canes because we were going to do, or maybe we weren't going to do it. It's all in my head. I'm just making stuff up. This is what I seem to do. And it was during Christmas when we were kind of like figuring this out. So I'm pretty sure that's where the candy canes came in. And my breath. I know. The next item that we have, guys. Let's just pull it out of here. Okay. So here's what I see. We're going to go with this guy. This guy is calling my name. Here's our first little doodad. God, what the heck could be in here? Oh, I looked at it. It's a bracelet. It is a bracelet. It says, to go with your ugly Christmas sweaters. Oh, maybe it's, it could be an ugly Christmas bracelet. That is so cool. Now, what kind is the question? What kind? Aw, that is so adorable. But you have cute little bells, your cute little green and red Christmas, cute little dudes, a wreath, a candle, and we're back to the cute little bells. That is so adorable. Ooh, alright, so we have some Smarties. Clearly they think I'm smart, or a smart ass. One of the two. I'm going with smart. Leave it in the comment, guys, if you think they're referring to me as a smart ass, or that I'm smart. Let me know, okay? I might get one of these two. What's calling me? I'm putting my hand on this one. I'm putting my hand on this one. Okay, this says peppermint scented soap. from Angelina. We love your videos. Oh my God, I love you guys. I love you. I should be saying that to you guys. I love you. I love you out there. This is awesome. This is handmade soap because I knew I was getting soap. I just wasn't sure what kind, but I love that it's peppermint. It's totally keeping in with the Christmas theme that we have here, guys. I love the Christmas theme. Let's go ahead and open this. I even like their pretty tissue paper. Very festive, guys. Very festive. Aww. I'm gonna open this baby up. I mean, I know it smells like peppermint because that's what they said. But I need to do a testy test on my own here, guys. So it's a cute peppermint pink soap. Aww, it is pepperminty. It's not overpowering, but it's just enough so that it won't be like too crazy. Do my armpits real quick like that. Okay, just like that. Do my other armpit. Okay, get my armpits all nice and clean. Thank you guys for that. The next item that we're gonna pull out of here, let's go with this, guys. From San Diego Beach here in California, my beach in a bottle necklace and earring set made with love. What? Wait, did she make, are you telling me? Girl, Michaela. Oh, made with love, Michaela, I should say. Let me just reread that. My beach in a bottle necklace and earring set. So, she made this from her beach in California. She owns a beach. You might own a beach. You very well could own a beach. This is so cute. I'm pretty much assuming this is from the rocks and or pebbles at her beach. But if you can see this, they are cute little bottles. Oh my God, that she made. I don't even know how the heck she found bottles that small. I don't even know how those even exist. But there's cute little shells in there. And you guys are lucky I do have my ears pierced, so I can wear these earrings. So I love that. How pretty. I do not have a message in a bottle. It is like a little message. They're saying, hello from California. And it matches the cute earrings. And yes, I will absolutely wear this set. It means so much to me, guys. It means so very much. Thank you, guys. Thank you. This is seriously awesome. I do not own anything like this. Thank you. Let's go with this guy. I know how much you love the 80s, so I hope you enjoy this CD. I've had it for what seems like forever, and I wanted to share it with you, Michaela. Love Michaela. Music from the 80s. Awesome. Okay, so here's what we have. Lips Like Sugar. I'm trying to remember that one. By Echo and the Bunnymen. I'm sure I know it once I hear it. Chains of Love by Erasure. Like that one. Need You Tonight in Excess. Take on Me by Aha. This is awesome. I will definitely play this in my car. I will rock it because I still listen to CDs in my car. Yes, I do. I do. And I'm going to listen to this guy. So thank you guys for this. Ooh. And we're going to do this guy, floral scented soap that Angelina made. And I don't want to discount Angelina's adorable little flowers here. Let me just show you those. Because it's floral scented soap, I have 3 cute little roses. I did want to point that out. There's these flowers that she inset into the soap. The scent is just as subtle as that peppermint soap as the heart. It's subtle, it's not overwhelming. Very nice, guys, very nice. Let me do an armpit. I'm singing in the rain. That's what makes it so freaking special and heartwarming, because you went to the arm's length to make these for me, and I just think that's amazing, so thank you guys. We're getting down to the wire here, guys. This is where it's nail biting time. How about this guy? Okay, I'm gonna try to guess based on the feel of what this could potentially be. I think it's a bottle of lotion. Endless Weekend. That's how I feel. Why can't the weekends just be endless? Why do we gotta go back to work? Why, God, why? Let's smell this guy. I actually do not have this one. I spent a, I like that too. It's subtle. It's like a subtle floral. Kind of like a subtle clean floral. I do not have this one. I have, God, I went on a crazy spree and bought like 12 of them. This scent I do not have, and I do not have a little dude. I have all the big ones. So this is gonna go right in my purse. So thank you guys very much. This is, there's nothing else in here except this little doodad. So let me put these down. This is the last item. Now, I'm looking at it, and I probably should have closed my eyes, but I think It looks like it could potentially be another set of earrings. It could be a bracelet or some type of jewelry. I'm thinking jewelry. Alright, let's see here. Oh, it broke. It was a ring. What I can do is super glue this guy on. So this is how it should look. Let me try to put it on, but my finger's in the way. It's kind of difficult. Okay, so we'll just do it like that. That's how it should look, guys. That pretty part. But I will super glue that on. Thank you guys so much. I'm sorry that broke, but it's really pretty, and we will get that back together and back on. What matters is that it is a gift from you guys, and I will cherish it forever, forever, and forever. So that's it. That's the end of the haul. The haul? Well, it is a haul, but I'm so used to doing thrift hauls. That's the end of the mystery box haul / items that I got. So it is kind of like a haul. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate every single item that you gave me. I love you guys to death. You're amazing. You're wonderful. You're fantastic. You need to go to their channel. Again, it's right here. Go to the Sisterhood. They're freaking awesome. They're freaking awesome. Go to their channel. It's right here. This one. This channel. Right there, guys. Right here. It's right there. That channel. That channel, guys. This one. You guys need to go to it. The Sisterhood. Link will be in the description down below. Please show them some love, support them. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching this mystery box exchange. I really enjoyed doing it. And until next time, I wonder what they meant by smarty. Smarty? Am I smart? Let me see. I don't think I'm smart, but let me eat 2 more. Definitely not a smart ass. Smart. I got me 3 Smarties left. I'm gonna try to open this in the fastest that I can. I'm not gonna brush my teeth. I will just roll this meat all up inside my gums. Guys, this is our replacement toothbrush. When you ain't got a toothbrush, oh yeah, actually works real good. Get it all in there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Great substitute for a toothbrush, guys. Not so good as earrings.